So-called Ethereum Killers were some of the hottest tokens of the last market cycle. Projects like Solana, Avalanche, and Cosmos emerged as alternative Layer 1 smart contract platforms that beat Ethereum on speed and transaction price. But things in crypto move incredibly quickly. Now, a new class of alternative Layer 1s is starting to come out and threaten not just Ethereum's dominance, but also the status of Solana, Avalanche, and others. Aptos is one of these. It has a unique technological structure that could allow it to become one of the best performing Layer 1s of the next market cycle. Keep watching to learn everything you need to know about this project and its token. What is Aptos? Aptos is a Layer 1 blockchain that was developed by Aptos Labs. Its token is also called Aptos and is symbolized by APT. The initial supply of APT was capped at 1 billion and distributed to community members, core contributors, and investors at release. Aptos Labs was founded by core contributors of the Diem cryptocurrency project, which was developed and then abandoned by Meta. Mo Sheikh and Avery Ching worked on that project and are now heading the development of Aptos via Aptos Labs. Aptos is one of the most well-funded new Layer 1s in all of cryptocurrency. In March 2021, the team raised $200 million from investors like Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, FTX Ventures, Coinbase Ventures, and other crypto heavyweights. What makes Aptos different? You may be wondering why we need a new Layer 1 at all, since there are so many on the market already. But even though Aptos uses proof of stake for its consensus algorithm, like most other projects nowadays, it does a few things differently that are worth taking a look at. For example, Aptos uses the Move programming language. This places a heavy emphasis on resource scarcity, which essentially means that the project should have the ability to scale more effectively than other Layer 1s. The project uses horizontal scaling, which features multiple shared ledger states in which each acts as a single API but can share data back and forth depending on developer needs. You don't necessarily need to know the fine details of how Aptos works if you're an investor. The main thing to understand is that the project has the potential to be highly scalable at a level unlike any other Layer 1s currently offer. This could create a scenario in the future in which Aptos becomes the most cost-effective way to take advantage of blockchain technology. If that were to occur, then Aptos could very well become one of the dominant Layer 1s and potentially even rival Ethereum. Is Aptos a good investment? If you're trying to learn about Aptos, there's a strong chance it's because you're thinking of investing in it. So, should you do that? Or is it better to avoid Aptos for the time being? That answer depends on how you feel about the project moving forward. The technical foundations of Aptos appear to be quite strong, but technical strength is just one fact that contributes to determining whether a blockchain sees explosive growth or not. You'd also want to look at the current market cap of Aptos and compare it to the market cap of some of the most successful projects in the sector. It currently has a fully diluted valuation of nearly $4 billion, which is in line with projects like Solana and Avalanche, but still far below Ethereum. The real question may become whether or not Aptos gains user adoption during the next bull market. That's a tough thing to predict. It certainly has buy-in from some major investors in the industry. That may help get users interested, but it won't be enough to make Aptos the #1 Layer 1 absent stronger value propositions. The bottom line is that Aptos has a lot of potential, but like many crypto assets, it's impossible to predict whether it will fulfill that potential or not. If you're going to invest in APT, you may want to do so with a small percentage of your portfolio to account for this uncertainty. What do you think about Aptos? Is it an up-and-coming token that's worth investing heavily in? Or is it destined to fail eventually? Comment your answer below to let us know. If you're interested in learning more about crypto, the metaverse, and NFTs, make sure to obliterate that like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching Metaverse Memo. Until next time.